Hey coders, in today's video, we'll write a recursive function in JavaScript to check if a number is a prime. This is a great exercise to strengthen your recursion and number theory skills. Walk step by step through the logic and see how recursion simplifies the process. Let's dive into the concept and build the function together. A prime number is one that is only divisible by 1 and itself. We write a function that checks if a number like 37 meets that definition. Instead of a loop, we'll use recursion to check for divisibility. The function will return true if the number is a prime, and false otherwise. We define is prime with two parameters, n and a starting divisor I set to 2. If n is less than or equal to 1, it is not a prime. If it is divisible by any I, we return false. If I times I becomes greater than n, no factors exist, so it is a prime. Otherwise, we recursively call the function with the next I. The function begins by checking divisibility from 2 onward. If we find a number that divides evenly and is not a prime. If we find a point, if we reach a point where I times I exceeds n, we confirm it is a prime. Recursion lets us skip unnecessary checks by leveraging mathematical bounds. Let's see it in action. The number 37 has no divisor between 2 and the root of 37. So it is a prime. 4 is divisible by 2, so not a prime. 1 is not considered a prime at all. 13 passes the test just like 37. It has no factors in between. Prime number checks are more than just fun math. They power real-world systems. Encryption, like RSA, depends heavily on large prime numbers. Prime tests are also used in hashing, random number generation, and gaming logic. So understanding how to build them efficiently is really valuable. To recap, we've checked numbers recursively starting from 2 and going up to square root of n. If any divisor matched, the number was not a prime. If none matched, we confirmed it was a prime. And that is how you check for primality using recursion in JavaScript. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.